I am Dr. C.L. Venkatrao. What is the difference between commercial jaggery and organic jaggery? Commercial jaggery is prepared from sugarcane cultivated by usage of chemical fertilizers. The organic jaggery is manufactured from sugarcane cultivated out of organic methods. Organic methods means from the cow dung compost or jivamurtam, the urine of the cows. They are used for cultivating the organic sugarcane. Then, in preparation of the jaggery, there are three main steps. One, extraction of juice. This juice is extracted in a roller mill. In both the methodology is same for commercial jaggery as well as organic jaggery. The second step is called clarification. Clarification means there are some inorganic and organic substances. They are impurities. The process of removal of impurities from the sugarcane juice is called clarification. In manufacturing of the organic jaggery, the natural substances called like bendi. The bendi vegetable is used for removing the impurities. In addition, small quantity of limestone powder also is added. But in case of commercial jaggery, the chemicals like lime, hydroxy powder, and the manure, the chemical fertilizer, superphosphate is mixed with the sugarcane juice. So this is the difference. Number 3 step is concentration of the juice. When the juice is heated, the juice get concentrated. The organic jaggery color is little darker, brown color, whereas the commercial jaggery will be like a golden yellow. It will be shining and it will be attractive. So the healthy organic jaggery is not looking attractive, whereas the harmful chemical commercial jaggery looks very attractive and it is looking golden yellow and it will be very shiny. So in the health point of view, we should always consume organic jaggery, not the chemical jaggery. Don't get carried away by the appearance of golden yellow color, and the appearance is very deceptive, though the organic jaggery is brown and not that attractive. Organic jaggery is good for health. The chemical and commercial jaggery, because of the presence of so many chemicals that is used to remove the impurities, in the long term it may lead to nervous weakness, cancers, digestive problems, and sometimes it may lead to, these chemicals may lead to infertility also. Hence, it is strongly recommended to take only organic brown color jaggery, not the attractive commercial chemical jaggery.